you back in there for a moment.
The other one's Snoopy.
Hi Snoop. Hello Snoop. Snoopy, come. Come. Snoopy, let's come. You beautiful baby. We love you. Yeah? We're going to be friends for life. We're friends for life. Okay. Here to help you. That's quietly. That's quietly. That's quietly. Snoopy. Snoopy.
Snoopy was on
Snoopy,
a
just
bit.
work with me. Just quietly. Alright, Snoopy. Alright, Snoopy. Gentle. How about we go clockwise, Snoop? How about we go clockwise, Snoop? How about we go clockwise, Snoop? How about we go clockwise?
They're beautiful birds. Snoop is a little bit more vibrant in colour on the back.
Right. Yep. Yeah, I see what you mean about the
Yeah.
marks on the face.
Does that change as the
Yes, it
feathers grow?
changes. Yeah, it'll
Oh.
change as he molts.
Oh, okay.
All right. Probably male. Not.
Is there any bit of that brown that you're looking at?
I'll do a check a different way in a moment.
Because, as I said, Snoopy a bit hard.
That's cleaner, Vince.
I'm going to show that, Ross.
The same suspicion and the same feather. Second flight feather is the one that concentrate.
It's such a cute shot like that. When you look up at them, when you've got such a cute shot.
Right, so $38 grams,
So what was Bevo?
37.
Okay. Yes, Snoopy was a bigger looking, slightly bigger. Is that irritating or is it just that?
It's irritating. It's not causing harm at the present stage, but I normally remove them as soon as you've got.
Okay. We're used to them.
As soon as you've got your birdies sorted out, so that
Okay.
I'd be finding a different way.
So that one's not hurt. It's not actually hurting. It's just he has to just get
Yeah,
used to it on his
it's
foot.
irritating. Yeah.
Oh.
Right, it's a split band, so it can be opened. Okay, now stethoscope.
So do you think they're a spangle, Ross?
No. Alright, okay, well, we'll do a microscopic examination just of the wet smears first of all of the poop, and then we'll come back and I'll just
ask a couple of questions also.
There you are. There you are. Okay. Thank you. Good.
Excellent.